Hi everyone, I'm Jabreel.
I'm Ahmad,
and this is English Rocks.
Previously on English Rocks, we looked at Jack Davis' poem Land and animated it.
Today we'll be writing an analytical paragraph in response to it.
So this is like sequel. I love sequels.
What is your favourite sequel?
Bad Boys, and yours?
Same. Wait, hang on. This is our sequel.
So I'll read the poem again to refresh our memory.
And we'll show you how easy it is to write a paragraph using the PEEAL structure.
What is PEEAL?
We'll get to it. Have patience.
Land by Jack Davis. Oh, white man, how can I make you understand? This love of land, it has a touch of a child's fingertips, to a mother's lips, soft as a butterfly's wing. Her loveliness is summer red, pink, fading gold. As a mother starts to sink, to fold herself in a cloak of night, embossed with the light of stars from our nation's dreamtime.
What makes writing a paragraph for the poem so easy is we already have so many notes on the poem. Let me explain our PEEAL paragraph structure. It is a formula in writing strong paragraphs. Imagine we have a question. What important thing is the indigenous voice saying, and how does Jack Davis express this? This question has parts to it. What is the important issue in the poem, and how, using poetic techniques, does Jack express this? So let's begin writing a paragraph. When writing a paragraph, it is very important to make a strong point in your opening sentence, which is called a topic sentence.
As this poem is about the close relationship indigenous people have with the land, this is Jack Davis' message to his readers. So let us, as writers, say this. Indigenous people have a deep and close relationship with the land, and this is clearly shown in Jack Davis' poem Land. And notice how I have used a strong word such as clearly to argue my point.
This topic sentence tells readers exactly what the paragraph will be about, the deep and close relationship the indigenous people have with the land. Once you have stated your topic, develop this with an explanation, so you are adding important information to the topic sentence.
Furthermore, this relationship is very sacred and spiritual. And a problem clearly arises when non-indigenous people do not understand this. As I am adding more to my topic sentence, I use furthermore. What I have done now is add to this deep and close relationship by saying it is sacred and spiritual, and add that non-indigenous people do not understand this.
Once you state something like non-indigenous people do not understand this relationship, it is important to support this with an example from the poem, a specific example that shows your marker you know your text very well.
And it backs up what you are saying. So I have backed up non-indigenous people's lack of understanding with the opening line, which is exclamation, oh, and exclamation mark. Davis immediately expresses the indigenous people's voice in the opening line of the poem with the exclamation and the exclamation mark. Oh, white man.
We have made our point, explained it, and used evidence to support everything. Now we need to analyze our evidence. Why would Davis say this? What is the effect of the exclamation and exclamation mark?
I believe indigenous are frustrated and tired of white people not understanding their connection to the land. What this highlights is indigenous people's disappointment and frustration that white people do not understand this indigenous people's connection to the land. It suggests that indigenous people have been saying this for a long time, but white do not listen.
It is like they just do not get it.
I agree. I would be very disappointed and frustrated too.
When responding to a question, never lose sight of the question. At this point of the paragraph, you have to link it back to the question, and you want to finish the paragraph on a strong note.
100%. What we have learned from our point, explanation, example and analysis. Therefore, white people's lack of understanding on indigenous people's strong relationship with the land. It is an important issue the poet wishes to correct and bring about change in white people's attitude. I am summing up my agreement, therefore, and stating that Jack wishes to change up white people's attitudes and bring about change that white people need to understand indigenous people and their special relationship with the land.
There it is, everyone. It may look easy, but it takes a bit of thinking, some planning, and trial and error. But we came up with a paragraph in the end.
Good writing requires practice. Why not try and try your own paragraph?
Thanks for watching, everyone.
See you next time. Hey, you know there was once Toy Story 1, 2, 3, and 4. Do you reckon there'll be a third sequel?
Maybe.